Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new to my channel, my name is Sheila and I like to make videos on budgeting, cash stuffing, sometimes vlogs about what I am doing throughout the day. I'm starting to do groceries hauls as well, so if you are interested in those types of videos, then don't forget to subscribe down below. Actually, as you may hear, I am doing laundry. I always do laundry on my day off. I have to catch up on things. I am downloading the Crickets software because I deleted a whole bunch of stuff on my desktop because I needed to free up more space, and I don't know where my Crickets downloaded stuff went. I do have the app on my laptop, but I like to use my desktop a lot, so I'm downloading that. I wanted to get that fixed because I do want to make a little design for my $1 challenge. If you saw one of my cash stuffing videos, I said that I wanted to start saving all the $1 bills in this jar. So this is going to be any like extra dollars that I have. And so I do want to create some type of label to go around here, and I don't know, something cute. I do have a Cricut machine, and honestly I haven't really used it that much in a while, so I do want to create something cute for this. And so yeah, I am downloading that right now. I do have to pick up a Sam's order that I made, and you guys, this week I did Instacart for the first time. I ordered on Publix. I checked out some of their deals they had, which I will show you some items that I bought. But I decided to use Instacart for the first time because honestly, this whole week I have not been wanting to go out anywhere. Like, I have just been trying to stay home and not be so like driving around a lot because last week was just hectic. So this week I said I'm just gonna chill and try to do pickup order. So I did Instacart, and honestly I love it. I'm gonna continue doing it. I love how someone can bring your groceries right at your front door, and I didn't even order that much. I only ordered a couple of things that were in the buy one get one free deals. And so yeah, that grocery haul was around $50, and then I did a Walmart pickup order yesterday, and then I am doing a Sam's pickup order today. I also created another binder for my spending envelopes, and so I will go over that as well with you guys. But yeah, today is just a day on catching up on some Word things. I do have to edit a video. Again, I have to go to Sam's. Oh, and I do have to go to Walmart because I ran out of my eyebrow pencil, so I don't have any eyebrows right now. And so I need to get that. I also need to get some more moisturizing cream, and I want to buy some SPF for my face because it's getting hotter out. I'm spending more time outside, and so I definitely need to take care of my skin that way. And so those are some of the items that I need to get today. That is going to be today's video, so stick around and let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so I made it to my car. I brought my water bottle because I'm trying to drink water, and I also brought half of a Bloom energy drink. I only did half because I can't drink the whole thing. It will have my heart racing, and I try not to drink those, but I didn't want to drink coffee since I already had some like super early this morning. But I do like those Bloom energy drinks. I think they're like, they taste good, but they have 200 grams I think of caffeine, or milligrams, whatever. So yeah, I only do half of them because they're too much for me. Like, they really do help me, but they're too much. But anyways, I'm on my way to Sam's right now, and I was fixing my hair because I curled it this morning, but my hair just does not want to curl. And I was looking at the mirror because sometimes I have like these flyaways that I just cannot calm them down, and so I was like doing this to my hair, and I'm noticing that I'm starting to get a lot more like gray hairs. Like, I used to have like one that would poke out, but now I have more than one, especially on this side. I don't know if it's because when I drive the sun hits me this way, and I blame it on the sun, but also like my age, whatever. But I've never dyed my hair before, and I've only gotten highlights. And I've been thinking, should I dye my hair using a box dye? Because I've never dyed my hair. I would get my sister-in-law to do it. Or I've been thinking about getting my hair like lighter. Like I've done highlights, but never like my whole head. And I've been thinking, should I do my whole head like a lighter color? Since I'm going to be dyeing my hair anyways, but then that would mean I would have to go to a professional, which means more money, which means my upkeep for my roots, I would have to keep spending money on that. So that's something that I've been thinking about. If you dye your hair with box dye, like let me know how that goes, because I don't know like how I feel about it. But I'm ready to like do something with my hair color, because I can't, like, you can really see like the grays right here, and then like one that peaks right here, and I can't hide them anymore. Like sometimes I tuck my hair in and I can't hide them anymore. And so I really have been thinking about, if you dye your hair, about how much does it cost, and or do you just prefer box dye? I'm really thinking, I'm leaning towards box dye, but since I want to go lighter, like I've never, like I mentioned, I never had my hair lighter, and I just want to see what that looks like on me. Like, you know, try something different, like a once in a lifetime kind of thing, like just change things, and then if I don't like it, then change the color. But I do know that it would mean like I would have to do the upkeep on it, and I don't know if I want to do that. Like I switched doing my own nails because I didn't want to like pay a lot of money to get them done. So I have that same feeling towards hair. I'm gonna get tired of like paying all this extra money for the upkeep, but I don't know. It's life. It's something that I've been like thinking about lately. But let's head on to Sam's. Okay, you guys, so I am at Sam's, and I did a pickup order, but I decided to go ahead and get a couple of more things that I needed, and I'm just showing you guys. So I got the Persil laundry detergent because it was on sale for $20, and I really like this laundry detergent. I found some of these 3-pack of frying pans. These, you guys, are amazing. They were $30. You get a pack of 3, and highly recommend them. I have been using them nonstop since I bought them, and yeah, they were $30 and you get 3 pans. I got some more bananas because I remember that we were running a little bit low, so I just got some more bananas, and then we needed some more flour tortillas. I like these because these have like less ingredients, and they're really good. And then I was just showing you guys here what else I had gotten. I had gotten those protein shakes, and then I got a box of mangoes because they were on sale for like $10. And then I got some meat and some mandarin oranges. I had got some Gatorades because, you know, it's getting hotter out, and then of course water. And then I decided to go to the personal care aisle because we were going to the beach and I wanted to get some sunblock. Ended up finding these. These were a pack of 3. They were on sale for $14. So I went ahead and got those. And then I needed a moisturizer, and I just went ahead and got this one by Olay since it was on sale for $40. So basically each one was like $20, which I thought was better than getting it at Walmart. So that is everything that I got or picked up that day. So this is the next day. I decided to go ahead and make my own envelopes for my spending wallet. These are A8 size for my Morterm wallet that I absolutely love. You guys know that I love my small little wallet. So I had decided to make new envelopes. I had mentioned it before in one of my cash stuffing videos. I had already made the design and I had already cut them out. Here I had just finished cutting my laminating sheets and I was just getting ready to put them together and laminate them, and I absolutely love the way these turned out. I think they are amazing and I absolutely love them. Okay guys, so I took off my press-on nails and I bought these on Amazon, and these are to do your own like press-on nails, and this was like $6.99. I think I will place the link down below for you guys, but basically you put your press-on nails on here and then you paint them or decorate them however you want. And I decided to make my own press-on nails because I was thinking about ordering some, but then I was like, why don't I just make my own? I have the nails already. I had these, the extra short coffin, and then I also have these, which are the short coffin, but these are longer actually. So I'm gonna color the extra short ones and I'm gonna try to do my own press-on nails. I think I'm just gonna do like a one color thing and see how that works. Oh, whoopsie. And see how that works out for me. My makeup desk is such a mess right now. I have like makeup and stuff everywhere, so I need to clean this before I start. But yeah, so I just got this and so I've been playing around with it. It is missing one magnetic little round thing right here, so these are magnetic, so that way they can stick to this little thing right here and that way it doesn't move. So I'm gonna try to make my own nails and see. I think I'm just gonna do a one color thing because this is going to be my first time, and we'll see how that works out. And if this works out for me, then that's even better because then I get to choose my own color and everything like that. So my desk is a mess, but I am going to go in with this lavender color. This is from Model 1's gel polish kit that I bought on Amazon. I will have the link down below. I am also going to be using this nail art foil glue because I do kind of want to see if I can use this foil. It's got like little purple flowers. It's really cute. I thought it went really well with this color since you do kind of get like the lavender flowers. And then I have top coat. These nails that I have on here are like a no file type of nail, so I don't have to file like the top part. I can just go in straight with the nail glue. So we are going to actually need another nail file because this one is not it. I've had this one for a while now, so let me see if I can find another nail glue. You guys, I don't have an outro for this vlog, but I do have a couple of clips of us going to the zoo earlier that morning, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I filmed. And yeah, I am going to end the vlog in these little clips. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and like these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos like this one, or budgeting videos, or cash stuffing videos. So yeah, thank you for spending your time with me today, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.